part of ACT, and these Saturdays, especially, I am spending with ACT from past, I guess, last 1 month. I am spending most of my Saturdays with ACT, and I'm totally enjoying it. These are very engaging sessions and very informative. I am learning a lot through these sessions. Thank you so much, ma'am. And your, I should say, your aura, your video, when we say your smile and the calmness on your face, that it's a long way that when you will reach that point. Neither I have that experience, nor I see myself to that stage sooner. But maybe I could make it as a role model for me, and that I have to reach to this point, that my students will approach me, like you said about while you were sharing your those classroom with very disruptive kids. You, in the end, you said, I love them and they love me.
Yeah.
That I would really like to achieve that success in my life, or in my career as a teacher.
I'm
And this neutral thing that you taught me, it was not in my mind, seriously. For being a teacher in a very diverse cultural classroom, you have to be neutral. You have to be self aware, you have to be socially aware, you have to be not just the students. First, the teacher has to attain all these things. Only then you can be a good teacher. And until today, I was not aware of all these things. I had few things in my mind, but not this clear. And the choice of words you make, maybe we all said few things, but your choice of words were so accurate that okay, it could be said in a better way also. So I am taking a lot from this session, and I'm really glad I am able to attend this session today. It was difficult for me today to attend it, but somehow I couldn't keep myself distracted. I was totally engaged in this, and meanwhile, I did a little things also which were needed.